So in terms of your top tips and tricks, I might get your top do for content creation and your top don't.
Okay. Top do is ensure it's quality.
Yeah.
Like it's gotta look nice. There's no excuses anymore as to why your photos are shit. Literally no excuse. Even the Android phones and all that, like they've got better cameras than Apple phones. But there's no excuse, and you can shoot amazing content just from a camera in your pocket. So there's no excuse to have like a bad looking Instagram, unless that's what you're going for. I don't know, but the actual quality of the images, like I think it plays a huge part. So ensuring that quality is always there.
Excellent. And your biggest don't?
Biggest don't is just don't overthink it.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
And also, like, you never know what's going to work until you try it. So, I don't know, I feel like maybe a lot of our clients overthink what they're actually posting in many ways, and that can almost get quite frustrating because it's like, we don't know how this is going to do, but it's something new, so let's try it. So almost trying to, like, understand and find that balance with them as to, like, where we try new things, but then we ensure, like, the quality is always there. And then we make sure it's engaging somehow. Like, yeah.
Those are good ones. Excellent. Yeah, good ones. Okay.